Hi, this is me, Amalhermuz from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, I have today with me a lovely, nice lady from England. Her name is Kainwen, and she's here first time in Vivian Hair Design. I'm gonna show you her hair. She has very lovely, nice colored hair, a beautiful color. So what we're gonna do today, only cut her hair, and she come here first time, and she's super proud of this hairstyle, and she have a wish, a nice, beautiful, trendy hairstyle for the ladies. So they tell us, please,
trendy.
What can we do for you?
Trendy. It must be trendy and something that actually suits my face.
Something to suit your face, yeah.
So I'm in your hands.
Oh, thank you very much, thank you very much. As you see, her hair is cut more to the front, and this is too heavy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the side more to the back side and to give her filuma, because she has here very strong crown. So we want to cover that. As I look here, this side looks like very long hair. We're going to cut it a little bit shorter like this side to make it perfect for her. And we'll cut her very nice lovely fringe, because this is very long, she can't see nothing. So by now we want to say to you bye bye.
See you when we're all glam.
Bye bye.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay. So baby, what we do actually is we leave the camera here and
Kanewen.
Kanewen, as you see, this is the finishing touch of her hairstyle. Lovely, nice, beautiful hairstyle we did for her. Easy and simple. Could you please turn the chair so we can see the style? Oh, thank you. Oh, see, nice, beautiful, lovely hairstyle. Easy and simple to wear and very, very modern and not too short. We didn't want to make her hair short.
No.
We want to keep it long. So we are here very happy in Vivian Hair Design. So we will ask our lovely model today for first time in Vivian Hair Design. So how do you feel?
I'm really pleased that I came this morning. I'm happy. I was nervous when I first walked in the door because it had got however many weeks lockdown growth on it. I was thinking that perhaps I should grow it. I was undecided, but I put myself in Vivian, not Vivian, are you? Sorry.
Vivian Hair Design.
Vivian Hair Design, and I'm really pleased. I like the shape. I like the fact that she's controlled the crown, and I like the spiky, trendy look.
So
Thank
you are very happy.
I'm very happy.
And we are very happy to have you here in Vivian Hair Design. Thank you very much for visiting us. We say bye-bye.
Bye.
We are here with our lovely lady, beautiful lady from England. First time in Vivian Hair Design. And this is the result of her hair. So please tell us, how do you feel?
I'm very pleased with what has been done today at Vivian's Hair Design. It's my first visit. I'm pleased with the shape. I wanted something trendy. Didn't want it to look too set. I wanted something that didn't need a lot of work. Thrilled. And she's controlled the crown where it used to separate. Thank you so much.
Thank you for visiting us. Thank you very much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.